James, good morning.
Good morning, Leo. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Good, thanks. James, it seems like quite a while since we last caught up, which suggests to me that September's been a rather busy month. How's things been on your side in the investment team?
Yeah, well, obviously since March, markets have been steadily recovering from the COVID-induced crash. But in September, there was a bit of a reversal, as most of the major equity markets posted a negative return for the month. And this is mostly due to the second wave of the virus and the increased restrictions that have been put in place, which could of course be further damaging to the global economy. So I've got a chart here which shows the monthly returns of the MSCI World Index over the last year. And as you can see, it's provided a positive return every month since the crash until September, where it lost nearly 3%. And a bit like when markets were rising, it's the US which has seen the biggest movements. So while the FTSE 100 index declines just 1.5% in the month, and the Euro Stoxx index fell 2.3%, in the US, the S&P 500 index fell 3.8%. And once again, it's those massive companies which have been dominating. So you've got Amazon's share price, which fell 9% during the month, and both Apple and Google fell more than 10%. So these massive companies are leading the way both up and down at the moment.
So October into November, what are we expecting?
Well, I mentioned last month that it was virtually neck and neck between the two candidates in the US election race. Last week we had the first televised debate, and amidst all the chaos, markets did swing in favour of a win for Joe Biden. Then, of course, Donald Trump tested positive for the virus, and that threw a whole load more uncertainty into the mix. Indeed, when the news broke last week that he had tested positive, markets fell. But then yesterday they picked up again when he appeared to be doing okay. So I expect we're going to see plenty of swings like this in the run-up to the election, and factor in the pandemic, and it seems that markets are likely to remain fairly volatile for the foreseeable future.
Sure, and your strategies are in place to accommodate that and mitigate any impact. Excellent. James, thank you very much, as ever, for the market update, and we'll speak to you again next month.
Thanks very much, Leo.
Take care. Bye.